Hello, my friends! Welcome back to Decor Tricks in the exciting new video. Balconies are often overlooked, but they have so much potential to become a beautiful, functional part of your home. Whether you're working with a tiny urban balcony or a spacious one, it's easy to transform this outdoor area into a cozy retreat. Today, we'll be diving into a variety of DIY balcony makeover ideas that will not only enhance your space but also reflect your personal style. From clever space-saving solutions to adding those finishing touches that make a big impact, these tips will help you create an inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Let's get started with some simple yet effective ideas that anyone can try. Maximizing your balcony space is key to creating a functional area. Start by considering the layout. How you'll use the space will determine the best design. If you have a small balcony, opt for modular furniture that can be rearranged or tucked away when not in use. Foldable chairs, compact tables, and stackable stools are great options for saving space while still offering comfort. For larger balconies, you can create separate zones, like a dining area or a cozy lounge space, to give the area more structure and purpose. Consider adding a small bistro table or a hammock chair for added charm. The goal is to make sure every inch counts, so think about how to arrange furniture in a way that allows easy movement and doesn't overcrowd the space. With careful planning, you can turn any balcony into a multifunctional outdoor haven. Updating your balcony flooring is one of the easiest ways to give the space a whole new vibe. There are many DIY options that can instantly refresh your outdoor area. Wooden decking is a timeless choice, adding warmth and texture, while outdoor rugs can introduce a splash of color and comfort without a major overhaul. For an easy, affordable option, try peel and stick tiles that can be applied quickly and are available in a range of styles. If you want a lush, green feel, artificial grass can create a soft, maintenance-free surface that mimics the look of a lawn. The right flooring choice will enhance your design, making your balcony feel like a true extension of your home. Transforming your balcony's walls is a great way to add character and privacy. For a natural touch, consider adding climbing plants or trellises, which can create a green, organic backdrop. If you're looking for more structure, wall-mounted shelves are a stylish way to display plants, candles, or other decorative pieces while saving floor space. To enhance privacy, you can install outdoor fabric curtains or bamboo screens, which offer a relaxed, tropical vibe. Another option is creating a vertical garden with hanging planters, which can double as both decoration and a way to block out the view from neighbors. With these simple yet effective solutions, your balcony will feel like a cozy, private oasis. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to transform the ambience of your balcony, especially in the evenings. String lights or fairy lights can create a soft, magical glow that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. For a more rustic look, consider using lanterns or solar-powered lights, which are eco-friendly and easy to move around. If you're looking for a bit of drama, try adding pendant lights or wall sconces to highlight key areas like a seating nook or dining space. For added versatility, you can also use dimmable lights to adjust the mood depending on the time of day. With the right lighting, you can turn your balcony into a cozy, inviting spot for both day and night enjoyment, making it the perfect space for unwinding after a busy day. Adding plants to your balcony not only brings a refreshing natural touch but also improves the overall atmosphere. For easy-to-care-for options, consider succulents, which thrive in small spaces and require minimal maintenance. Hanging plants or vertical gardens are perfect for saving space while bringing greenery to every corner. You can also try creating a herb garden in small containers, offering both beauty and functionality. For a more vibrant look, mix in flowering plants or trailing vines to create a lush, inviting environment. DIY planters, like repurposing wooden crates or old jars, can add a personalized, rustic touch. With plants, your balcony will feel like a serene outdoor retreat. To truly make your balcony feel like an extension of your home, adding personalized touches and accessories is essential. Start with soft furnishings like throw pillows, cushions, and outdoor rugs to add comfort and style. These small additions can introduce color and texture, making the space more inviting. For a more customized look, consider DIY projects like painting old furniture or creating unique planters that reflect your personal style. A cozy blanket or an outdoor throw can bring warmth to cool evenings, while decorative lanterns or candles add a soft glow. Whether you're adding a quirky sign, a small bar cart, or a cozy reading nook, these accessories make your balcony feel like a true sanctuary. A DIY balcony makeover can truly elevate your outdoor space, turning it into a stylish, comfortable retreat. Whether you're working with a small or large area, the possibilities are endless with a little creativity and effort. From space-saving furniture to cozy lighting and vibrant greenery, every detail can help you design a balcony that suits your needs and personal style. We hope these ideas inspire you to get started on your own balcony transformation. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!